The purpose of this tape is to show you how to use the Mississippi ACTE Conference app. Once you have installed it on your smart device, you will go to the icon and it will bring up the app. Now you do have to be online to access this. As you can see, the user interface is all right here. The apps notification, this is going to give you any information that we send to you on a daily basis. If we push information to you about what's going on a particular agenda. You can see the information here. You can see it's also got a URL. If you click on that URL, it will bring you to a browser so you can take a look at it. To return to the main interface, you can either hit the three buttons, the three black bars up here, which will bring you to all of your menus, or you can simply go back, use the back button on your smart device and go back. Registration, pretty simple. Simply click on register. Then you will see the dates, where you need to do to register or to request a refund. I'm just pushing the back button on my tablet. The agenda is something we think that you will find very useful and helpful. What we have done is we have created the agenda online. The good thing about this is you don't have to carry a lot of papers, because now you can click right here any place where you've got a link, and it will take you to your specific cluster agenda. As you can see, we've got all 16 clusters listed right here. It's in a Google Doc format because it's easier for us to change this way and easier for us to share with you. Now, each one of these will take you to a specific cluster agenda. Let's take a look at the ag, food, and natural resources. When we come to this particular agenda, you'll notice everything starts at the Muse Center, but then we go to the FFA Center. If you're not familiar with how to get to the FFA Center, all you have to do is click on the link, and this is going to bring up a Google map that's going to give you directions on how to get out there. A couple of different ways. You can see here we've got 3 different ways. That's got turn-by-turn instructions on how to get to the McKenzie Arena. Now, if you want to take this first one, all you have to do is come up to the top, click on the map icon, and what it will do is it will bring you the map from the Muse Center out to the FFA Center. So now you've got that. If you've got it on your smartphone, you can follow along with it. Right there, you can actually turn your GPS on and see where you are. Again, I'm going to go back using the back button. The speaker information is also located here. As you can see, his information is right here. Another thing we've added is just strictly directions. If you're not sure about where or what group is where, but you know that somebody is at Rankin County School District office and you need to get there, all you have to do is get directions from the Muse Center to the Rankin County. And again, we've got you hooked up to Google Maps. You can see there are 3 different routes that you can choose from. You simply pick choose the route that you want, which may be the shortest time or the shortest distance. You can either go turn by turn, so if somebody is in the car giving you instructions, you can have that, or you can simply, again, click on the map icon and it will show you how to get from point A to point B. Pretty useful. Another thing we've got weather. So you can start looking about a week ahead of time to see what the weather is like, where you're going to be. You've got the current weather conditions, but then you also can go in and look at a graph and look at what it's going to be like for the next 10 days where the conference is going to be held. And as you can see, you've got your high temperatures, your low temperatures, what your daily highs and lows should be, and whether it's going to be sunny or rainy. The next thing we've got a place for lodging. You'll be able to see where the different hotels are. So if you're not familiar with the Jackson area, with the Pearl area, you can simply look at these different maps right here, whether it's Jackson or Brandon or Pearl, and find out where it is. You've got names and numbers, so you can go back and locate where you want to stay. Another thing, links, very simply put, these are just some links that we think you may find beneficial. We're going to continue to add to this list as the conference continues, as we get closer to the conference. Social media. If you don't have a social media account and you want to follow along, we have the RCU information. We've got the Mississippi ACTE hashtag, so if anybody is tweeting about that and tweeting pictures, we'll be able to have that up as well. And we'll continue to add some more as we continue closer to the conference. If you need to submit a help desk ticket to the RCU, if you need to, after you've been at the conference for a while, you see you need to create your Canvas account or you need to get some information about CPAS, you can simply go into the help desk, click on tickets, and then you can start a new ticket. Right here, you can choose what you need to do. And again, this will help you just get some information to the RCU. Conference info, this is just leading up to the conference. Now you know where we are, what our phone number is, how you can get some information about the conference, and we've got the actual conference website right here. So no matter where you are, you can get the information. Another feature we have is the feedback area. With the feedback, you can simply click the button. You can put in your name, although it's not required. You can rate the app for us so we can know what we're doing right or wrong, and then you can give us some feedback. This information is anonymous and it will go to the help desk, so we don't have to worry about who you are. You can feel free to give us this information confidentially. Again, this is our app. We hope you have found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.